What up? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip-hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip-hop choreography. All right, so in today's basic hip-hop dance combo series episode, we will be adding our second 8 count to our series. All right, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. All right, so in this episode, we will be using episode 1, so if you haven't checked that out yet, be sure to check that out before coming to this one. All right, so let's start from the last few 8 counts of our last 8 counts. So from this one, I was going back and forward, up. And again, those are up moves. Think up, 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 up. Okay, so from here, just my footwork. I'm gonna go right, bend, left, bend, right, bend, kick, bend. Okay, so this is what's called a Steve Martin. So all I'm gonna do again is I'm stepping out. So I'm going right, bend, left, bend, right, bend, kick, bend. So try that again. So 6, 7, 8, go right, bend, left, bend, right, bend, kick, bend. Okay, so now you wanna kind of speed it up. So as I'm stepping to my right, that's when I want to already kind of land into that bend leg. So I don't wanna go step, then bend, but I wanna almost treat it as if I'm walking that way. So I'll go down, 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 kick, down. So let's try that. So 6, 7, 8, and pick up, pick up, pick up, kick, pick up. So one more time. So 6, 7, 8, and pick up, pick up, pick up, kick, pick up. Good. So now we're gonna add a little bit more action with our legs and use a little bit more of a bend with our legs to create that down group. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, right, kick, over. So again, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, right, and over. So notice my legs are consistently going down, 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 down. So now with your body, you want to think forward, back, forward, straight. So again, so I'm going with just my body, lean forward, lean back, lean forward, turn around. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is forward, back, forward, turn around. Again, so 6, 7, 8. I'm going down, back, down, kick, back. Good. So from here, all I'm gonna do, again, same thing, all about repeating, especially as a beginner. You want to go left, pick up, right, pick up, left, pick up, kick, pick up. So try that. So with left leg up. So 6, 7, 8, left, up, right, up, left, up, kick, up. So now again, I want to step into each pickup. So I don't go step, then pick up, but as I'm stepping, I want to think down, 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 kick, down. So again, so 6, 7, 8. I'm going lift and lift and lift, kick, lift. So now again, I want to add the little down groove with my legs. So each time my leg comes down, I'm going down with my legs. So down, 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 and down. So I'm down. 6, 7, 8. I'm going down, 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 kick, down. Very good. So now you want to add the lean. So again, forward, back, forward, turn around. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going forward, back, forward, turn around. Good. Let's try that one more time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going front, back, front, and turn. Good. So now let's try to put those together. Let's go from the slide. Okay. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going right and left, right foot and right, left, right, kick around, left, right, left, kick around. Very good. Let's try that one more time. So 6, 7, 8, and slide, right foot and right, left, right, and left, right, left, round. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7 to the back. This goes 5, 6, 7, right foot and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going slide, and right, left, right, and left, right, left, round. All right, so now let's try to take this from the very top. So from the very first 8 count, combine it with this 8 count. So here we go. So 5, 6, right leg first. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. New 8 count. Right, left, right, and left, right, left. Oh my goodness, try that one more time. So 6, 7, 8, and right, and left, and push, back, push, new 8 count, right, left, right, and left, right, left, over. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get it angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, right leg, and right, left, right, left, push back, push front, new 8 count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, right leg, and over to the right, over to the left, push it back, push it, new 8 count, right, left, right, over there, left, right, left, and switch. All right, so before we jump into music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one. Again, you really want to have that down groove with our legs consistently, always on the whole beat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with your leans, you want to think forward, turn around, forward, back, forward, turn around. So 2 patterns you kind of have to keep in your head. One is the groove happening with your legs. The second pattern is forward, turn around. Okay, so second thing is, again, piecing together 8 counts can get a little bit confusing at first, but as long as you have the first 8 count down and then your second 8 count down, then it's just about combining them together over and over again until you're really comfortable with it. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'm sure you're gonna be props, shoutouts, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also comment down below what you liked about, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.